guys, it's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. I probably should not have started this video with this powder on my nose like this, because I know I look like one of them little cartoon characters off them shows that got that crazy ass nose. But anyways, what's up? How you doing? Your girl's in the building. Period. I don't know what look I'm gonna do today. I think I'm gonna just do something so simple, y'all. But then I wanted to do like a pink eye because I haven't done nothing pink in a very long time. So if I do decide to do a natural eye today, because we never know what we're doing when we start this shit, okay? I will do a pink eye very, very soon. I remember back like around Christmas time, it's in one of my Vlogmas videos, I did this cute little pink eye when I first got my James Charles palette, and Instagram loved it. And I promised a few people that I would do it. I don't have that kind of time on my hands right now to recreate it, but if I don't do it today, I will definitely do it very, very soon for y'all. But yeah, let's talk YouTube talk right now for a second before we get into this. All right, shit. Shout out to y'all for watching my videos lately. I fuck with y'all. Y'all fuck with me. we coming out. Period. But you know, your girl gotta let y'all know to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what y'all want to see. Comment down below if y'all be feeling these looks. Period. Y'all know your girl is on a diet. If you have not watched my juice video, go watch my juice video of me dying for 3 days. So I got me some black coffee. The only flavoring I have, which is 0 calories, is like some flavor stuff my mom bought me, and I just poured literally just a little bit. And I got my bird food, okay? I have chicken apple sausage, okay? And I have 1 boiled egg cut in half with pepper on it, okay? So your girl is still eating bird food, but that's neither here nor there, okay? Trying to drop this weight without having to work out, because I don't like to sweat, okay? Period. Let's get into this look. Okay, so we're gonna go in today with a little darker transition color. Y'all know that the James palette doesn't have the names on it if you don't have the cover, so I don't know the name of this, but it's the darker brown, like orangey brown in the palette. Then I'm gonna go over it with a lighter orange, and I'm just going to continue to blend and smoke that out. Now I'm going in with the Up Beauty liquid shadows, and I'm just putting the matte one on my lid and taking a concealer brush and kind of brushing it out and making it even and look normal. Now onto the face. Using my NARS foundation, just going to put it all over my face. I put it on with a brush, and then I use a beauty blender to make sure that it's like seamless on my skin. Going in with my Up Beauty concealer, I believe this is in the color Peanut Butter. I'm going to put it under my eyes, on my chin, my cupid's bow, down my nose, and my forehead. Then I'm going to blend it out with a brush. This is a Real Techniques brush. I believe it's either a powder brush or concealer brush. And I'm just blending it out. Now I'm going to go in with a beauty blender and blend it into my foundation some more. So I'm not exactly baking at this exact moment. I'm just really setting my under eyes with the Hourglass Veil Powder and just packing, like pushing it in so that it sets the concealer all the way. And we'll go back in later and physically bake, but we're not doing that right now. We are just simply setting the concealer. Now I'm going to contour my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit and just make the fishy face. Basically, bring the color back into your face. I really like to bronze and contour my face a lot just because I feel like it brings the color back into my skin. Now using that same contour brush, just going in and contouring my nose. This doesn't have to be perfect right now because you're going to go back in and bake to really like clean it all the way up. Now you're going to really bake your face. Go on the sides of your nose. Like you want to make sure that's really good because that's what snatches your nose perfectly to make you look like you got a nose job. This is a very important step when it comes to contouring your nose and having a snatched nose. So once you do your powder, you want to go back in with your contour powder to clean it up, and then you'll go back down with some more powder to really make it chisel. Like you gotta pop it up, and then you'll wipe it off using my Sephora Micro Smooth. I love the finish that this powder gives me. Going in with my P. Louise blush, and I'm just putting it on. I love the little highlight that this blush gives me. That's why I'm obsessed with it. Going in with my Becca powder. I actually kind of like this one more than the Fenty. Shout out to Aaliyah's Face for putting me on, and I'm just bronzing my face some more. Like, I like to be bronzed. I like to look sun-kissed and glowy. So I go in kind of heavy with this. Going in with my NARS blush and Orgasm and just putting some blush on my cheeks. In this moment, I realized that I wasn't recording anymore. But I didn't really do anything besides put on a little eyeliner, wipe the powder off, and mascara on my lashes. But I had looked at the camera to make sure my eyelash was going on even. And it was like not recording whatsoever. So now my phone's right there. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Recording a YouTube video. But I'm pretty much done. I'm pretty much done. You see I'm putting on my lashes. Why? Where you at? Okay, now you bitch gotta hurry up. But I just gotta do my under eye and my lip. Oh, when people call you last minute. That's my cousins always do that. Always do that. Anyways, this the look. I'll be back to close up the video. So I don't know if I told y'all the trick before, but I like to do my makeup and then get in the shower because like the steam in the shower like sets the makeup more than just a setting spray, and it brings all the oils back into your face. I do that often if I'm not in a rush, or if I'm not doing my makeup in the middle of the day. I do that pretty often. So I'm gonna go jump in the shower and I'll be right back. All right guys, so this is the final look. Something real simple, light little beat, nice little summer light beat going on here. Nothing major. I'm not doing much today. Running a couple errands, but I wanted to get a video done and some pictures for the gram. If you don't follow me on the gram, go ahead and follow me on the gram. But if you like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much for always supporting me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ta-ta, guys.